Hey everyone, so I'm back with another video, and recently I had someone on one of my videos asking me, where do you find coal, Young? And so I decided to make this video showing you guys where to find coal, but at the same time, we're gonna find multiple different things. We're gonna find iron, we're gonna find steel. Well, we can't find steel, but we can make steel. We're gonna find gold, we're gonna find adderite, we're gonna find everything that we need in this game to build everything that we want, right? So I like to first start off at this place. Okay, so this is the desert, right? This is where most of the sand is. If you look around, this is probably the largest sand area, and I like this place because first off, you see all these trees. You can always build a ton of fish here. All right, so like look, you can kill 3 of these snails. You drop 3 to start off with, and then you can destroy all these to collect your leaves and then collect your campfire, and so you never run out of resources to basically provide fuel to your campfire and your food. So you need to get your food up in case someone comes after you. So let's just start off right here. This is my favorite spot to start off. And then another thing about this area is that if you look over here, there's a mammoth right here, and he drops a ton of hide as well as a ton of food. And so if you kill him, he'll drop a ton of hide, and then you can start making steel armor, and that's a really good armor to start off with. But if you're a low level, then it's a little bit harder because you can't quite craft everything. And so starting off here is also a really good reason for that. So you can you can destroy a lot of these trees and level up here at the same time. And then if you walk over here, there's also water where you can build a base here, which makes this place even more valuable. Originally, this was my favorite place to basically start a base and do everything here. When I first started playing this game, this is where I went, and this is the reason why. And so they added 2 gold rocks right here, and you can get, I believe you can get 3 or 2 pieces of rocks every single time. I hope this guy doesn't kill me. He seems like a nice person. Alright, so let's go ahead and go down here into this mine, okay? And if you guys don't know where this place is, all you have to do is zoom out, okay? So let's just go ahead and let me just show you what the Sky Island looks like. If you look all the way up there, there's the Sky Island. Right next to it is this mass of rock formation, so like it's a huge mountain. And then over here, there's a little bit of rock, and then a little bit of sand. And then over there, you see in this little tight corner right here, well, over this area, it's actually the volcano area. And I'm going to show you guys that area as well. Okay, so someone left their steel boat here. I'm going to go ahead and take it. It's really useless to leave it there, so I'm going to go ahead and take that. And then let's go over here. We're going to go straight into this mine. And the reason why I like this mine so much, first off, there's raw morsel, right? So you destroy 3 of these guys, you get 3 raw morsel. And then over here, there's also iron that spawns right here, okay? But here's the coal, right? So each one of these drop at least 2 pieces of coal, which is very valuable. So let's go ahead and get these 2 pieces right here. And then here's another one, which adds up to 4. All right, so we have 4 pieces of coal. You need 1 piece of coal. So let's go ahead and look for the steel mix. Okay, steel mix, 1 piece of coal and 2 raw iron. All right, so let's go ahead and destroy this raw iron. When you destroy it, it will give you about 3 of them. All right, that's 3, so 6. So we can make at least 3 steel mixes. All right, and we still have 1 extra coal. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and destroy this. And 1, 2, 3. Bam! I got every one of them. Okay, so now we can make steel mix. And then here's go 1, 2, 3. And I still have it. Oh! Someone's killing me. Uh-oh. This guy's running now. He first hit me, and now he's running. Alright, well, we just have to kill him. Where is he? Come on. Oh, shoot. He's running away. Is he gonna log? He might log. Wait. Let me try to hit him. Let's go ahead and kill him. There you go. That's how you kill him. Alright, so he tried to run from me, and I killed him. But, I don't kill people normally unless someone hits me. And, that basically gives you every right to destroy that person. Okay, so now starting from the mine, we're going to go ahead and get on one of these steel rafts, and we're going to go ahead and travel this area. I'll follow the trail over here, and we're going to go actually head into that cave that I was talking about earlier. And that cave is actually a really good cave because that's where you can find adderite. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like and, what you can get in it. So I'm going to go ahead and go in and destroy this big rock right there. And you can see one of my teammates is there, so he's going to go ahead and have it. I'm not going to destroy him. I don't need to destroy him. I mean, I don't need to kill him. He's on my team. So let's go ahead and destroy this big rock. Okay, so we destroyed the gate, and all you have to do is walk down here and turn to your left. And right there, there's the Adderite rock. And when you destroy this, it actually drops 3 nodes at a time. So it compared to going to the cave and destroying 3 at one at a time, you can actually just destroy 1 of these, and you can get 3 of these Adderite raw Adderites. Okay, so let's go ahead and destroy it really fast. Alright, so coming out from this area with the small mine and this desert area, all you have to do is get on one of these boats. So I'm going to go ahead and get on one of these steel boats, and then we're going to go ahead and travel this way. Okay, we're going to head and travel straight over here, where you can see there's 2 trees over here. And now if you don't have your graphics up, what I recommend you do is just start from the mine and aim towards this island and follow the trail of this island. You're going to pass this one, and then you're going to pass a mountain right here, which is made of rock, I believe. Yeah, okay, so that's where the volcano area is. So you're going to go ahead and pass that too, and that's basically where you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over there. Now that we're at the fire island, you can see that there's gold over here that you can actually pick up. And then over here, these are the rentals that you kill. And the one with the antler drops a special hide that's called fire hide. And when you kill it, it drops, here, let me show you. It drops the fire hide, and you use this fire hide to basically build Adderite items. So you can build Adderite armor, and you can build Adderite pickaxes, and the warhammer and everything. So let's go down here, and when you go down here, this is the area, this is the cave where you can get Adderite. And I absolutely love this cave because the Adderite here spawns pretty quick. I like it. I like the fact that it does that. So another thing I like to do is actually bring these guys all the way in the back here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and bring him all the way in the back, and we're gonna grab a wooden wall really fast, and we're gonna go bring him all the way near the water. So let's go ahead and get into the water right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and jump this way, and then we're gonna place a wall right there. Okay, so when someone comes down, they're gonna notice that there's someone coming, and they're gonna go ahead and chase after them. And so like those people who are coming down, they're not going to recognize until they actually get hurt. All right, so my friend actually just put another gate right here, so it'll be easier to get through. But just in general, if you were to put it like that, you can use it as a safety mechanism, right? So if we find out that those guys die, that means that someone is coming, and so we have to prepare. We have to find out who it is, and then we can either run away or we can fight them. All right, so that's a really good mechanism. Or you can actually just trap them in this area like this, and they won't be able to hurt you. And this old god actually gives you experience if you destroy it. So it's a really good area to farm levels, and then at the same time pick up Adderite and build armor. So I like this area a lot. So let's go ahead and move on to another place. Okay, so now that we know where Adderite and iron and coal, I'm going to show you additional places where you can find these resources. Okay, and where I like to go to basically farm up these items. Okay, so when we head over here, we're going to head towards the ice island. Okay, and if you look over here, there's actually the sky island up there, and then there's also the new sky island up here. So all we have to do is head this way, and we're going to just follow this trail where the island is. So let's go ahead and keep on going straight. Now that we're here, I'm going to tell you why I love this place a lot. And the reason why is because you can find a ton of coal here. Alright, so if you destroy one of these ice caps, you can get 2 pieces of coal, 2 pieces of coal, and then if you look up over here in this corner, if you look right over here, this area right there, where my mouse is, there's also coal right there. So there's a total of 6 coal. And then you can also mine gold here. Alright, so like there's gold right here, so there's 3 gold nuggets that drop from each one of these, and so you get a total of 9 gold nuggets. And then you can also use the trees here to basically build a base. So you can basically build a base around this whole area with trees that fuel your campfires, and then you can destroy these animals as well as use them. Now, if you guys don't already know, ice is actually the best wall making material to use when you build your base. And the reason why is because ice can never disappear. The only time it disappears is if you destroy it. So if you have ice completely around this area, and let's just say you're in a fight and you don't want to lose all your stuff, and then all of a sudden you're not in combat mode anymore and you log out, your base will still be there except for the stuff that you built, like your huts and your campfires, those will probably disappear. But your base, your overall walls, they will remain up, which is why ice makes it. Ice is just very, very valuable. Okay, so this is another really, really good spot that I like. You can also go up in the Sky Island, but the Sky Island is usually occupied by very, very high levels, and they're very, very stingy when it comes to sharing the resources. So, but you can find basically crystal, and you can also find gold up there. There's a lot of gold up there actually, and basically you find crystals to build these newer crystal items. So basically that's it for the video, and I hope this video helped. And if I missed somewhere, just go ahead and let me know, because it's always nice to share our ideas and what we know about the game. So go ahead and let me know, and I hope this helps. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.